Have you ever wondered if one device could actually elevate your skincare routine and help you achieve radiant, glass-like skin from home? There's a tool that's gaining attention for precisely this, and today we'll explore why. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, the channel dedicated to thorough, thoughtful, and unbiased product reviews. We focus on providing you with the insight needed to make smart purchasing decisions without unnecessary hype. Today, we're reviewing the Medicube Age Booster Pro Pink, a 6-in-1 beauty massager designed to enhance your skincare routine and support the look of clear, glowing glass skin. The Age Booster Pro is an all-in-one glass glow wand that promises enhanced absorption of your skincare products, increased radiance, improved elasticity, and refined pore care. It works with all skin types and is designed to optimize your routine without the need for conductive gels. With the companion AGR app, you can access guided tutorials, track progress visually, and personalize intensity settings for a tailored experience. If you're serious about skincare and looking to elevate your regimen, this device is directly relevant to you. The purchase link is in the description and pinned comment below. Now, let's explore 7 reasons why the Medicube Age Booster Pro Pink is a standout addition to any skincare routine. Reason number 1. Comprehensive 6-in-1 skincare functionality. The Age Booster Pro is more than just a massager. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, its 6-in-1 design offers enhanced absorption, radiance, elasticity improvement, pore care, skin tone brightening, and gentle massage. Users report that their serums and creams penetrate more effectively, making every skincare step more impactful. The combination of features in one device streamlines your routine without cluttering your counter. Reason number 2. Optimize performance through the AGR app. The AGR app personalizes the experience by guiding you through techniques, tracking progress, and recommending intensity settings. This feature turns a simple beauty device into a comprehensive system for measurable results. Visual progress tracking ensures you can see improvements over time, adding a level of accountability and reassurance rarely found in beauty tech. Reason number 3. No conductive gel required. Unlike many massagers that require special gels, the Age Booster Pro works with the products you already own. This simplicity ensures consistent use and reduces unnecessary purchases while maintaining optimal skin health. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, many users appreciate that it integrates seamlessly with their existing skincare routine. Reason number 4. Gentle and safe use. The device is designed for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Starting at the lowest intensity and adjusting as needed allows for comfortable, safe use. It includes clear guidance in the user manual, ensuring proper technique to maximize results without irritation. The ergonomic wand design makes it easy to hold and maneuver across facial contours. Reason number 5. Real glass skin results. The Booster Pro's combination of massaging, vibration, and warming effects enhances circulation and promotes radiance. Over time, this helps improve elasticity, smooth texture, and refine pores. Users report a visible improvement in skin glow, making it an effective tool for achieving the sought-after glass skin look that's popular in Korean skincare routines. Reason number 6. Long-term value and build quality. Constructed for durability, the Booster Pro includes a rechargeable battery with USB charging, minimizing ongoing costs. The sleek design in soft pink adds a premium touch to any vanity. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this device combines aesthetic appeal with robust performance, ensuring a long-lasting addition to your beauty toolkit. Reason number 7. Personalized skincare experience. By combining real-time guidance, app integration, and customizable intensity levels, the Age Booster Pro offers a highly personalized routine. Users can track which products and techniques yield the best results, creating a consistent, repeatable regimen that can adapt to seasonal or lifestyle changes. This level of personalization is rare in beauty devices and makes it particularly effective for those committed to long-term skincare goals. Final verdict. The Medicube Age Booster Pro Pink stands out as a premium, thoughtful solution for anyone looking to optimize their skincare routine. Its 6-in-1 functionality, app integration, and ergonomic design make it suitable for a wide range of skin types and concerns. While results vary depending on individual consistency and technique, the combination of enhanced absorption, radiance, and elasticity improvement makes it a versatile and reliable tool. For those seeking measurable improvements and a polished, spa-like experience at home, this device is a valuable addition. Purchase links are in the description and pinned comment, allowing you to invest confidently in your skincare journey.